Nagsimula yung car meet na to sa isang video namin ni Kuya Sam na hindi namin inaasahan na aabot siya sa maraming car enthusiast dito sa Japan. Ngayon na nandito na tayo sa event, hindi ko ina-expect na aabot tayo na mapupuno yung buong AHS garage ng mga sasakyan. And ginagawa namin to hindi lang para mapansin, kung hindi para may pakita rin sa inyo yung kultura. So para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ako si Nino Tolentino, isa akong automotive mechanic, car enthusiast, and video creator na wala akong sasakyan pero naisipan ko na mag-setup ng car meet dito sa bagong shop ni Kuya Sam sa AHS Garage sa Kanagawa. Yung purpose ng event na to is to celebrate yung soft opening ng bago niyang shop na mas malaki, mas malawak, mas maraming kayang sasakyan na i-cater, and mas in-improve compared sa dati niyang shop na mas maliit lang. Ngayon, nagkaroon siya ng opportunity na mas palakihin pa yung passion niya na ginagawa niya, which is paggagawa ng mga sasakyan or pag-modify ng mga sasakyan dito sa Japan.
Biggest challenge being here in Japan, I think for me personally, is the language barrier. I speak mainly English. I understand mostly a little bit of Tagalog, 85%, and then don't really speak Japanese at all. So I think for me, it's the language barrier. My name is Dom Santos. Currently, I work here in Japan. I'm part of the U.S. military here in Japan. And then I took my Nissan Stagia, and I'm from Sagamihara area in Japan. I chose a Stagia because for me, it's a great mixture of cargo space, but also like a sporty ride to drive around in. Even though I'm not born in the Philippines, I'm a Filipino American, so it's nice to be surrounded by a language that I'm familiar with back home, living with my family. So it's just really nice to get, being able to understand people a little bit more than at a Japanese car meter or something that you get more in Japan. Right now, this car is fully, it's an automatic four-wheel drive. It's naturally aspirated, so no turbo. So the first modification I made to it was actually the body kit. So it's a Dolphin body kit, some awesome people. They're really dedicated towards the Stagia and kind of the wagon community. So I went with them just because they've been known to do awesome modifications for Stagias. I'm still on the fence of making it a manual transmission, but I definitely want to have some boost in my life. The first one, major thing is gonna be a engine swap once I pass Shotgun in August. My biggest inspiration, I think, is like off-roading vibes mixed with JDM stand stout culture. So if you notice, I have a bunch of lights all over my car. I love it. I love driving this car in Japan. Before, when I was stateside, I was really never seeing driving as like a way out of things or a passion of mine. It just took me someplace where I wanted to go. But driving this car in Japan really makes me appreciate where I live and the Japanese car culture, right? There's something to be said about driving in the countryside with the window down and just enjoying the scenery where I'm at and then just loving the feeling of driving this car. Yeah, if you guys want to follow me, I'm dom.lately on Instagram.
Sa tulong din ng mga nakilala ko sa car industry na si Kuya Jello, si Kuya Sam, and si Mark na mag-vlog nung buong event na to. Bale, nakipag-collaborate ako sa kanilang tatlo para ma-set up tong car meet, sudden car meet na to. Hindi ko ina-expect na ganito aabot yung mga ginagawa ko na makakasama ko sa isang car community na puro mga Filipino na car enthusiast na nagtutulungan pa angat. Sobrang saya din sa feeling na sumusuporta sila sa ganitong event na sineset up ng tulad ko na nagsisimula pa lang sa car industry.
Ang kwento sa likod ng kotse na ito is dati pa talaga gusto ko talaga ng S13, pero siya ang naging kotse niya dati is S15 Silvia, S15. Talagang gusto ko talagang sports car is S13, so pinush ko siya na gusto ko na S13. And then may nakita kami na ito, pero ano pa siya dati?
Kulay-kulay.
Ibang kulay niya dati. So,
Marumis pa siya.
iba siya sa before, sa ngayon na nakikita nyo. Ako si Janine Delgado
Defin Delgado,
at ang dala namin is Nissan S13.
yung parang 90s.
Yes, 90s vibes.
Current build ang setup ng kotse natin. Yung pinaka-main is color eh. Pero white siya na may 4 layer na color. Pink, orange, green, saka blue. Naka 15-inch na wheels, test 19s na style na JDM na Shackleton style. Then naka-straight fight. Basta simple lang. Simple style lang. Yung bago namin pinturahan to, kami nagliha lahat niyan. Kami nagbaklas bago dala sa pintura sa shop ng pintura. Actually ako, yung bata pa ako, bago pa ako mapunta ng Japan, may na sa kotse. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mama ko, dinala ako dito.
Ang masasabi ko sa Filipino community, ayos kasi pag magkakasama kayo sa isang parang family, yun. Talagang reflex mo, walang inggitan, parang ganon. Yung parang, uy, ang pogi ng kotse mo, ganyan. Parang walang bus, parang ganon. Minsan ka lang makakita ng parang babae na magdadrive ng sports car. Sa akin, noong una, challenging kasi manual, mahirap abutin yung clutch, parang ganon. Pero masaya siya sa piling.
So, ayun na, dumating na kami sa event. So, kinakabahan ako kasi wala pa masyadong tao and nag-overthink na ako baka wala masyadong pumunta. Ganun. Kasi alas 12 na ng tanghali, wala pang pumupunta. Then, ilang minutes makalipas, nagdadatingan na yung mga tao, may mga dumadating na mga sasakyan, may mga Subaru na, may Impala, may Skyline, ang dami ng JDM cars na hindi ko na mabanggit kasi ang dami ng sasakyan na.
When I drive the car, for me, I feel really good. It inspires confidence in me. It's like a level up of confidence when I drive around. That's pretty much it. My name is Steven. I live in Kanagawa, Hiratsuka. I drive a 2024 GR Supra. When I was 5 years old, I think, back in the Philippines, araw-araw, I could see cars. Something about them just made me enjoy looking at them. Every car I see, I name it. From that, it continued up until now. So back in 2014, I wanted to basically become independent. I was in the Philippines. I was not doing anything. I told my parents I want to come to Japan. Unfortunately, I didn't get a license as soon as I got here because I thought it was short term. Down the line, I thought, okay, I think I need a car. The first mod I got was the wheels. The reason I got it was being I wanted something that could pop without obnoxiously disturbing everyone else. Driving down the streets of Tokyo, looking at it, not because it's noisy. Challenges of owning a car here in Japan, expenses. Japan has a lot of rules. There's a lot of fees you need to pay, taxes and all that. Yeah, aside from the fees, just me adjusting to driving here in Japan since it's right-handed. Shifter, the signals are also on the left side. My shifter is also on the left side. Unlike Japan cars are right side. That's pretty much it. My name is Steven and I drive a 2024 GR Supra. It's manual.
Patagal kami dun sa event. Padami rin ng padami yung mga sasakyan. Hanggang sa napuno na. Hanggang sa pinakadulo ng parking ng AHS Garage. So, ang dami ng tao. Sobrang nakakatuwa. Nagulat din ako kasi pati si Kuya Albo, si Albo Media, nandun din. So, in-invite natin sa social media ng mga Filipino din na mga nakakakilala kay Albo. So, tumambay din siya for a while dun sa event natin. From akala ko na walang pupunta, naging busy na ang lahat. So, sobrang busy na lahat. Nakikipagkwentuhan, nakikipag-chill, kumakain. And ang pinaka nakakatuwa din is yung may narinig ako na meron silang friends na hindi na nila nakikita for a long time na dahil sa event na yun, nagkita ulit sila. So, yun yung isa pa sa mga nakakasatisfy na feeling sa mga ganitong setup na event.
Sa event, unexpected na hindi natin expect ganito karaming tao yung pupunta. Tsaka sobrang daming sasakyan din. Enjoy naman ang lahat, pero naman ng pagkakaisang lahat. So already 6:50 na, pero dapat hanggang 6 PM lang tayo. Pero yun, nag-enjoy lang din ang lahat. Enjoy lang natin yung event.
Talagang unexpected na ganito karami. Talagang napuno tayo hanggang sa dulo ng garahe ng AHS. Thank you kay Nino, tsaka thank you rin kay Sam na nagano ng event na to. Of course, kay Mark din. Thank you, bro.
Ito, goods naman. Hanggang ngayon nag-enjoy pa rin kami. Kumbaga, masaya-masaya. Ayun, mga tropa ko nagsasayaan doon, no? Yan, mga nag-enjoy habang dumidilim na.
Solid. Tapos, meet namin ang sudden meet. Oh, long time no see. Ayun, masaya. Solid.
Saya, ang dami natin. Para tayong nasa Pinas talaga.
Isipin mo, may mga kwek-kwek, kung ihaw-ihaw, yun. Solid. Number 1.
Uy, cutie. Hey, this is a good event. Thanks for setting it up. This is a good cause. Came here to support and more quick for life.
Sam, this is great, man. Thank you for the invite. And Sudden Meet, great event, man. Great on you, and more power.
No, it was awesome. It was awesome coming out, connecting with people who are from the Philippines or people who are stateside, right? So it's cool being a Filipino American, connecting with everyone around here. So it's a good meet.
Thank you Sudden Meet, tsaka kay Boss Sam HS. Thanks sa event. Saya. Quick barbecue.
Ang pinakamasarap na feeling para sa akin is yung may mga tao na naniniwala and sumusuporta dito sa ginagawa ko na paggawa ng videos. Dito ko kasi nakita yung purpose ko na to create and inspire. Thank you, Lord. Bali, yun lang muna for today. Ako si Nino Tolentino, isa akong automotive mechanic, video creator, and a car enthusiast. Maraming salamat sa panonood. See you on my next one.
Bilang tauhan lang naman para sa akin, mga ganitong event, opening ba, ang daming nakikitang tao. Pag welcome sa community, mga kuruma, ganyan.
Successful at maraming pumunta ng mga clients, friends, family. Sakto, halos puno na wala na makapasok, di ba? Buti yung iba, umaalis, tapos may dumarating. Maraming salamat sa mga pumunta, sa mga biglaan din ang pumunta kahit ibang lahi, Pilipino, iba-iba. Talagang nakakatuwa. Successful yung mga event namin. Thank you.